wonderful. You made it. You made it to the EFT Gathering in Canada website. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Susan Bushell and I'm an energy therapist from Guelph, Ontario, Canada. And I'm also an AMED International accredited EFT master trainer. I teach, train, and supervise EFT students and practitioners. And I'm also the creator and founder of the fourth EFT Gathering in Ontario. So welcome, and I want to send out a particularly warm welcome to those that are brand new to tapping. I know that you're curious about EFT, and that's how you landed here. Have a look around. We have presenters from all over Canada sharing how they use EFT in both their personal and professional lives. And I also want to send out a particularly warm invitation to those in the fields of mental health, education, and to first responders, because we have designed this particular gathering for you, both from behind the podium and in the small group breakout sessions. So have a look around. Reach out to me if you have any questions through the contact page. This gathering is at the University of Guelph at the Cutton Fields Golf and Tennis Club on April 28th and 29th. There is an early bird registration deadline, so please be aware of that if you want to save a little money on your registration. I also want to let you know that we will not be teaching EFT at the gathering. That's a multi-day training event, but we do have lots of wonderful presentations to learn more about how to use EFT. So I hope to meet you in April. Thank you for coming to the website. See you soon.